Could there possibly be a new and better way of doing business? Let's find out. We all remember Joe the plumber, whose moment of fame took place at a rally during the 2008 presidential campaign. But for all the Joes and Joannes that you and I know, the story is quite different. The moment of fame that they seek is being able to master the daily challenges and choices they have to make as a business owner, a salesperson, a school administrator, a consultant, a project manager, or in whatever occupation and position they currently hold. Those challenges require a special set of capabilities that enable them to access the right information, to use that information wisely, to take advantages of online learning opportunities, and to connect, communicate, coordinate, and collaborate with the right people at the precise moment of need and regardless of where those people are located. Connect, communicate, coordinate, and collaborate. That is exactly what the integrated eSystems online collaborative community platform is designed to achieve for any type or size of organization, association, or institution. Last week, both Joe and Joanne received an email invitation to join the online collaborative community recently established by their organization, Advanced Business Systems. They work in different locations, but once they are registered, Joe and Joanne will have immediate 24/7 access to each other as well as to all the other ABS employees who are members. Both Joe and Joanne respond and become members later that same day. Upon registering, both placed their photo on the member profile and then added key information about their job responsibilities and expertise so that other members could quickly find them when looking for people to help them address problems and work with them on projects. And then through using the online community's private internal email system, both Joe and Joanne were able to connect with each other and other members that they wanted to interact with in the near future. As they connected, they added each of those community members to the address book linked to their member profile. In less than 1 hour, Joe and Joanne were ready to discover what the ABS online community can offer to help them effectively meet the challenges they encounter each day. So let's join them as they embark on that journey. As they explored the ABS online community, Joe and Joanne immediately found one of the most significant features, the knowledge database, where printed audio and video materials are available on demand 24 hours a day. They can search for materials by topic, media type, or by using the keyword search capability. And they also noted that a frequently asked questions section was available. As they explored further, they discovered that they could easily form an online problem-solving or project team by using the internal email system to send out invitations. Once the team is formed, they can set up a team profile that includes team member contact information, a project description and goals, an online team meeting calendar, and space for team announcements. The exciting part is that they can draw people from any location without concern for travel time and costs or scheduling a room for team meetings. However, that did not answer the question of how they would communicate with each other, so they decided to explore further. Joe and Joanne quickly identified several tools that facilitate communication and collaboration, starting with a discussion forum and instant messaging. In the discussion forum, any team member can initiate a discussion topic, and other team members can then respond whenever they are able. When a discussion thread is initiated, an announcement immediately goes out to all the other team members. The instant messaging tool enables team members to facilitate real-time conversations. When several team members are on a conference call by telephone, they can also use instant messaging to create a documented conversation, which is especially valuable when they want to share links to websites and internal documents. The instant messaging tool can also be used to send those documents to each other. Included in the community platform is a conferencing center that enables team members to view either a PowerPoint or a printed document. Combining this visual capability with conference calling and instant messaging enables the team to conduct meetings as if they were physically present in the same room. But no longer are travel time and meeting space availability restraining factors. Both teams and individual members have one additional tool that is simple to use but powerful in its potential impact. There are those times when having people's opinions could be valuable input for solving a problem, making wise choices, or planning a project. The Member Polls tool is included for exactly that reason. Joanne already has a project in mind, and once she has her team members determined, she is planning to use the member poll to find out how her team members view one of the key issues relating to the project's success. As team members use the member poll to express their opinions, they will also be able to immediately access the results. Now, it's one thing to discover the features and tools of an online collaborative community, but quite another to effectively use those features and tools to meet the challenges that people encounter every day. So let's take a day-in-the-life look and see how Joe and Joanne have benefited from becoming members of the ABS online community. Joanne is setting up a project team involving 6 people in 3 locations. She has already added key people to her address book, so she begins to review each member's profile. She was really impressed with how quickly she could learn about each member from the information that they had placed on their profile, and that's how she selected those 6 people from 3 different locations. She immediately sent out an invitation to each individual using the internal email system. Joe is already part of a marketing team that meets each week in the building where he's located. They are working on a new marketing strategy, and the Vice President of Marketing has placed 2 articles regarding strategic thinking on the knowledge database. Joe printed the articles and will read them during lunch so they will be fresh in his mind when they meet at 2 p.m. There's a new procedure relating to Joanne's project, and she realizes that she has not mastered the procedure as yet. So she checks on the knowledge database using the keyword search and discovers a how-to guide written by the person who created the procedure. She immediately downloads the guide and is able to learn what she needs within 30 minutes. When she's finished, she marvels at how quickly she accomplished what would have probably taken 2 or 3 days in the past. Joe decides that he would like to collaborate with people outside his marketing strategy team on a specific aspect of the new strategy that has been assigned to him. He logs on to the ABS online community, accesses the discussion forum, and starts a new discussion thread with a specific question that he believes will move the discussion forward. He then uses the internal email system to send an invitation to appropriate community members asking them to join him on the discussion forum and help him find some valuable answers to his question. Over the next couple of hours, people begin responding, and a lively and helpful discussion unfolds. What would benefit you the most? Eliminating travel and meeting expenses? Spending time more wisely? Conducting meetings at a moment's notice? Solving problems when they occur? Tapping the knowledge and wisdom of more people? Creating an everyone is right next door atmosphere? Or increasing results through more frequent collaboration? The fact is, any and all of these significant benefits can become a reality in your organization through providing your people with the type of online collaborative community that we have described for you. This is truly a new and better way of doing business. And our development team is ready to help you make those benefits a reality in your organization.